Hey guys, what's happening? How to transfer USDT from Binance to BingX. So first of all, what you need to do, hit assets at the bottom right. Okay. And in the asset, what you're gonna do, you're gonna see total value, add funds, send, transfer. We're gonna just hit send at the middle. You're gonna see a pop-up window. If you want to send it to our Binance users, you can add email, phone, and ID or ID. And you're gonna see on-chain withdraw. You can withdraw crypto from Binance to other exchanges wallets. So I'm gonna select on-chain withdraw. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna select, of course, the USDT. And after you added the address and selected the network, you need to go, of course, to the BingX app and follow along the previous videos that I just mentioned, uploaded, where you can basically generate an address from BingX and paste it right, and in this case, in Binance, right? And of course, select the network, right, and enter the amount. So afterwards, you're gonna hit withdraw at the bottom right, and now you're gonna be able to transfer USDT from Binance to BingX. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.